4:20 p.m. 808dragon.com. 92 degrees in the RVs. Jackery went from 0 to 99. Threw the cooler on. There's your 51 watts out, but still got 35 watts. The cooler's holding up at 45 degrees. Actually have this set to 33, but you know what? When she goes below 9, we'll see what happens. 11.6 on the deep cycle. 15.5 volts on the 1 to 2 amps in. But okay, 13 point something. That's about more normal. 13.1 good. Back to 45 degrees. This is ice, bro. Be careful of your beer explode. That is full on fucking ice, bro. 90 degrees. Oh my god.
Candy boys, cup, candy boys. Lemonade, lemonade.
Keep going. Keep going.
Candy boys.